Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation as well as in English the name of this limited production sports car, or should I say hypercar, based on the Lamborghini Aventador, which was unveiled at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show to commemorate the 100th birthday of the company's founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this car? In Italian, in Italy, they would say it as Centenario. You do want to stress on the third syllable, the na syllable, and you do want to pronounce the C as it was CH, Centenario. But it'd be fine in English to pronounce it as Centenario, Lamborghini Centenario. Here are more videos on how to pronounce car brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, including, of course, many Lamborghini models. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.